Hi elders, welcome to my new YouTube channel. Myself Sai Krishna, studying in ninth grade. My plan is to explain JEE concepts. According to me, every chapters contain 3 learning objectives. Those are concept, integrated problems, that means textbook problems, and at last but not least, which is objective. An objective has plenty of sums and we need to concentrate on that more. Okay, I have prepared a notes which is referred from many books. Let me show that book. Yeah, see this. This was prepared by me by referring many books for you. Okay, basically trigonometry is divided into 3 topics. Those are trigonometric ratios, compound angles, submultiple and multiple angles. Okay, first we must know what is trigonometry. Trigonometry is a branch of maths which helps us to find the relation between the sides and angles of a triangle. It is nothing but trigonometry, which is a branch of maths which helps us to find the relation between the sides and the angles of a triangle. If we have 3 sides and 3 angles of a triangle, it is the trigonometry which helps us to know the relation between them. Okay. Trigonometry has 3 Greek words. Tri, which means 3, gon, nothing but side, and metry is measure. Okay, trigonometry ratios contains these topics. Today we will learn ray, angle, and at last standard position of an angle. These are the basic concepts, and this is an introductory class. Okay, firstly we will know what is a ray. Ray. Ray has only one initial point. Please don't mind my handwriting here. Ray has only one initial point which is extended endlessly. Let us consider a ray. Let us consider a starting point as O, and this is a ray which is a line passing endlessly. And let us consider this line as A. Now we call this ray as OA bar. Don't mind my handwriting. This was written by my sister Dr. Tejasvi. Okay, next we will learn about angle. Okay, let me rub this. Okay, now we studied about a ray. We will study about an angle. What is an angle? It is a union of rays with common initial point is called an angle, and it is denoted with the notation theta. Okay, let me write the definition for you. Angle. It is the union of rays with common initial point which is called an angle, it is denoted by the notation theta. Okay, we will take two rays now. This is the common initial point which we took before as O. This is known as initial ray. Initial ray. And this is known as terminal ray. Now theta is this which is subtended. Theta. Okay. I think all are clear with this. And next we will move to standard position of an angle. Now we will know about standard position of an angle. Okay, let us consider a coordinate system. This is known as terminal ray, which I have said before. An angle is said to be positive when it is subtended from x-axis to the terminal ray, which is on the positive side of the coordinate system, which is anti-clockwise. Then it is said to be positive angle. That means theta is equals to positive angle. The angle is said to be negative when the theta subtended to the negative side of the coordinate system. That is theta is equals to negative angle. Okay, is it clear? Now I will give you a definition. Okay, I am rubbing this. In a rectangle coordinate system, in a rectangular coordinate system, the angle theta is said to be standard when the vertex of an initial side of an angle theta is at the origin. This means the terminal ray, initial ray must be start at the origin O. The origin O. That means theta must be formed with the x-axis and the initial side of the coordinate axis. Okay, I have told you before about the angle will be positive if it move towards anti-clockwise. And the angle will be negative if it moves towards negative. And that's all for today. This one has been told before. Okay. Please let me read the definition for you once. In a rectangular coordinate system, the angle theta is said to be standard when the vertex of an initial side of an angle theta is at the origin. The angle will be positive if it moves towards anti-clockwise. The angle will be negative if it moves towards towards clockwise direction. Let me also revise the coordinate system. A terminal ray which is passing through the x-axis through the coordinate system, and the angles obtained towards the positive direction of coordinate system, that is known as positive angle. That becomes the positive angle. Theta is equals to positive angle. And next, which moves to and the angle moves towards the negative side of the coordinate system, that is theta is equals to negative angle. This ray which passes through the coordinate system is known as the terminal ray, which I have been said before. Terminal ray. Okay, today is the 3 basic concepts. From tomorrow we will learn the measure of angles, sexagesimal, centesimal, radian measure. And next we will learn further all this concept. After this concept we will do the textbook problems and next objectives. Okay, bye everyone. But before, okay, at last I hope you understood the concept, and tomorrow we will move to the further concepts. Please like, share and subscribe so that it boosts me to make the further videos. And at last, be home, be safe. Okay, please feel free to advise anything because this is my first video on YouTube. Okay, bye friends. Namaskar.